Okay, let's make a start with speaking part 1. I'll ask you some questions, you got to reply. What kind of social networking websites do you like to use?
I love to use Facebook because it gives a lot of information.
It gives or it provides?
It gives a lot of information. Whenever I have free times, I use Facebook to interact with the peoples, and whenever I want to get some newspapers, so I always search on Facebook.
Okay, are you a social person?
Of course, I am a social person, because socialism is a very good thing, and if you are social, then you can enjoy the company, and you can interact with the different cultures, and you can also you have to get some ideas about different cities and countries, and what's going on there. You everything you understand.
Okay, do you prefer to chat with your friends on social media or live face to face?
I prefer I don't prefer this type of chatting. Whenever I have free times, I used to chat with my friends.
I usually chat with my friends.
So because it is very essential for us to know how with each other.
All right, thank you so much. सामने देख रहा क्यों है? Huh? You know, there's camera behind you, looking here and there. Hey, okay. All right. Overall, good. Try to speak energetically, actively, and every answer should be different. And add some synonyms in your answer. Okay. Now let's go on. And by the way, the last answer was not very clear. Do you prefer to chat face to face or on social networking website? So you need to talk about your preference very clearly. Okay, let's go on. It's your turn now. Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruit because it's very good to help because my health.
They are very good for my health.
They are very good for my health, and fruit is good thing to like in your life.
Okay, fruits are very good and I love fruits. Okay, let's go on. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango because mango juice. I like mango juice.
Okay, you like mango juice. Now speak more, come on.
I like mango juice because mango juice is very help to my health in
Okay. Yeah. Tell me tomorrow, huh? If it is not clear. All right, let's go on. What is the most popular fruit in your country?
Most popular fruit is my country is apple because
Apple, not apple. Apple.
Animal like use to apple because apple is so help in your health, and many other things apple give to help for other people.
All right, it's good. Okay, you need to practice a lot. You need to work hard very much and brush up your English grammar, and then you'll be fine. Okay, thank you.